We passed their stop. Next thing you know, I met a girl and got lost in her smile.
Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Guys, in this video of today I am going to show about this trending reel which you have seen in the preview. Guys, if you want to try this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. So guys, first you need VN application to edit this reel. VN application easily find on your Play Store. So first you install the VN application. After that, when you open this application, you will get interface like this. Okay guys, you need 8 photos to make this trend. To import the photos, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the 8 photos from your phone library, okay, according to you. Okay, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. Okay guys, you have seen, you have to take like this. Now guys, first you delete the VN default clip from here, okay, and select the ratio of 9.16 from here. Okay, then guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first you download the reel video. After that, we will extract the music from that reel. Once when you download the reel video, after that you will click on the plus icon on here and click the music option. Now guys, I have to click on the plus icon and will click on the extract from video option. Now guys, I have to select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. So I have to select this reel and have to OK from here. Then guys, you have to click on the choose option and have to done from here. Okay, in this way your music will be added. Now guys, we will edit the photos according to music. So first I added the photos. After that I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay, so okay guys, you have seen how to edit the photos. Now note the photos durations. So guys, first photo duration you will keep 5.40 second. Now guys, you have to keep the same photo duration of other 6 photos which is 0.60 second. And guys, last photo duration is 0.56 second. So guys, you have to keep the durations like this and your video will be perfect. Now guys, we have to add the text on here. So to add the text, click on the plus icon on here and have to click on the text option. Now guys, input the title on here, which is you look very happy these days. Now guys, have to done from here. Now guys, increase the text timeline till the end of the first photo. Like this. Okay, now guys, come to the second joint of second photo and click on the plus icon of text. Okay, and have to click on the text option and input the title here, I met. Okay, and I have to done from here. Okay, and we'll keep the text timeline till the end of video. Okay, now guys, come to the third joint. Okay, and click again plus icon of text, click the text option and input here a girl. You have to type according to you. You have to type like this and have to turn from here. Okay, then we'll increase the timeline till the end of video. Okay, now come to the fourth joint and click again plus icon and click the text option and here you will type end. Okay, and have to done from here. You can see on the timeline your text is right or wrong. Okay, now guys, come to the next joint and click on the text option. Okay, and input here God. Okay, and have to done from here. Guys, I'm conveyed of one thing that text option is disabled, so you will be click on the 5th timeline. Okay, and come to the next joint and have to split from here. Okay, now guys, you have to click on this timeline and have to edit from here and remove this text. Okay, and type here in theirs. Okay, now guys, have to done from here. Now come to the next joint and split this timeline and come to the next timeline. Click on here and have to edit from here. Again, remove this text and type here smile. Okay, guys, you can select the fonts from here and select the fonts according to you. So I have to select this font. Then guys, you have to click on the apply to all option and this font applied to all text. Okay, then guys, split the all text like this. Okay, now guys, adjust the all text according to you like this. Okay guys, you have to adjust the text like this. Now guys, your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option and have to done from here. Then guys, you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending viral reels notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.